This is ascending calf raise, one of my favorite exercises to target those calves. I like these slightly better than seated calf raises because when my legs are extended, fully straight, I feel like I get a better stretch at the very bottom and a better contraction at the top. First up, for those shoulder pads, make sure that it's set at a height to wherever you're at the bottom of the movement with those heels below those toes, you aren't hitting those weights against each other. Or if it's a plate loaded machine, make sure it doesn't stop you before you get the full range of motion. Place those feet to where the ball of the foot is on the edge of that platform. That's going to allow you to get the full range of motion and also enough support to push you all the way up. If you feel like you can't go all the way down and get a good stretch in the calves, it likely means you have those feet too far forward on that platform. The feet are just right underneath those hips, and also pay attention to the angle of the feet. I have those heels slightly towards the center, allows me to get a better contraction at the top. As you are pushing up, imagine like you're trying to push through the inside of the ball of the foot. So where that big toe is, imagine like you're pressing through there. For those knees, you could have them with a slight bend or have them completely straight. Just make sure you aren't locking out too much and pushing the knee backwards. If you feel this exercise a lot in your quads, it likely means that you are bending and unbending those knees using the quadricep to help you on that way up. Also, super important is whenever you unrack, make sure you are pushing those hips forward. This is going to allow you to feel a better stretch on those calves and also get a better depth at the very bottom. Also, super important is the tempo on these. As you can see, I'm getting a nice and controlled eccentric on that way down, and I'm getting a pause at the very top. I like to get at least a 2-second pause at the top every time, and make sure I'm getting a 4 to 5 second eccentric on that way down. Whenever you reach failure, meaning that you can't go all the way up to the very top, make sure you're still getting a few partial reps as high as you can take it with still a pause at the top. Trust me, if you haven't been doing it like this and been going very quick and up and down, you're going to see a lot more growth this way, taking it nice and controlled all the way throughout. Let's grow those calves, and you know what to do. Like and subscribe, please.